1 second playing piano.
30 years of playing piano.
In this video, we're going to compare the difference between an amateur pianist and a concert pianist through 3 levels of songs and see how we can reach that level. Starting with level 1, easy. One thing I mainly notice, you use less pedal.
I do use less pedal because I do finger pedaling sometimes, so it's more clean.
And then the second thing I noticed you do, I don't know how you do it, is there's like these soft notes that are like layered.
Yeah.
It's not just one dimension.
Right.
So how do I do it?
First, I think like softer touch. Like just place your hand on the piano.
As opposed to what?
Opposed
What was I doing?
I think you were just kind of, yeah. But a little bit more fingertips. Yeah, that's the better tone, yeah.
Okay. Just softer touch overall,
Yeah.
and then on these phrases.
No crescendos on the left hand.
Yeah, it feels like I'm going all the way through.
Yeah, all the way through.
Coming up, you'll see how Turkish March was so easy for a concert pianist that she struggled to play it, then taught me how to play it myself.
Easy level done. Now let's move on to an intermediate piece. And just a note, our concert pianist is too skilled. She hasn't played these since she was 2 years old, so
I'm trying to
she's
remember them.
reading it.
I'm trying to remember them now.
Anyways, the difference I saw, one is like, you're playing this like hammer, compared to, I'm like, I'm like, and you're like,
Kind of like one note leading all the others, but with all with fingers. So
why does my note feel so sticky? Compared to like,
Because
da 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 da.
I think more fingertips. You can practice like, yeah. You feel more of the third finger. You're not really using your third finger. Yeah. Yeah. Clear.
So,
yeah.
I'm not using all of my fingers enough.
Yeah, you're not. Like your third finger is not equal as the other. Like
But
the
I have
second
to, in this piece, I have to use all my fingers like pretty individually powerful.
Because first of all, it's like piano, or if you want to play a little louder, that's fine. But it should be all kind of quite similar. Yeah. Yeah.
I guess
that's
it's not
pretty
similar.
good. For this one, just like stick to the key. Just very close to the key, and then kind of like make sure. Yeah. Oh, that's really good. Yeah, something like that.
I still feel stiff. Is that okay?
Yeah, you need to practice, I guess. to
Practice
get
being
used to
relaxed?
it. Yeah.
So what's a thought I can have to be relaxed?
Just focus on your fingertips. That's it. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, that's pretty good.
Is that what I should do on like all piano playing? Just focus on my fingers?
Different genre, classical, romantic, baroque. They all have different kind of
Different
you know,
styles?
different
Dang.
styles.
Gotta break it up in different
Different
levels.
styles.
Okay. All right.
That's good.
I only know that enough for TikTok.
We do things differently here. We don't sell courses and we don't hide great coaching behind paywalls because everything we teach on this channel stays completely free and that's never changing. If you want to help keep it that way, join our YouTube memberships where you'll get access to our private community, member perks, and you'll be directly supporting free education for people everywhere.
Like in one phrase. So after this, the next.
Now our hardest level, Moonlight Sonata, and apparently she doesn't know how to play either because my hardest piece is not the minimum requirement for her to play.
I'm dead. No.
Ready? I can't do that part. I only know that enough for TikTok. I noticed you're pressing the notes more than I am. Is it like the same as previous? I'm thinking about my fingertips?
I think this one I use left hand more like a metronome. Like, think more like this one I play a little louder, articulate more than the thumb, so it's not too loud.
Okay.
Right, so.
Dot, 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 dot.
Like that, but now it sounds a little like square, so it should be like in one phrase. So after this, the next level is to have that, but minimize it, and then just more fingers, but in like one line.
So I have to like make my lows, and highs like
highs.
emphasize more. So
yeah, a little bit.
this is considered my high,
This is
right?
good. Yeah, one. Yeah, and a little direction would be good. Yeah.
What does that mean?
Boom. Oh, that's better. Yeah. Better.
I feel more intentional.
Because the drive comes from like the beat.
Right.
So when you have the beat and then the direction, then it will sound
So
better.
what is the main takeaway of the difference between you and me? First of all, I don't play with my fingertips, which is probably what most amateur pianists don't do. And second of all is what? Like with top two things, what's the difference between
So
my
I
playing and your
think
playing?
like stable rhythm, which sometimes even for me, sometimes it's hard to get because when you know on the stage you're emotional, you just want to like rush it. But
Rhythm?
stable rhythms are important.
What else?
The downbeat fingertips.
Fingertips and
Like phrasing wise, and sometimes when there are like bunch of 16 notes together, always pick a few that can lead you into like a bigger phrase. So that's not everything either mushy where everything sounds the same.
right.
Unless it's required. But
Okay. This is the song you chose.
You made it to the end of the video and you're exactly the kind of person this channel is built for because we believe world-class coaching should be free, no courses, no gatekeeping, no paywalls. If you want to help us keep it that way, please consider supporting us by joining our YouTube memberships.